Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 24. Часть 1. Страница 54-55. English Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 24. Part number 1. Page number 54-55. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 54. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself and then to your friend. Фонетика. Прочитай слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем своему другу. Jumper, jeans. Jewelry, June. July, jungle, pajamas, village. Jungle bells, jingle bells. Jingle all the way. Julie's jewelry jingles in June, July, and May. Park, dark. Scarf, carpet. Starfish, plant, vase. Mark is a starfish. He lives in the deep blue sea. His house is in a beautiful park. Look at all the plants in Mark's garden. And look, there's a dark blue carpet outside the door. It looks like a scarf. The answer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Color the same sound with the same color. Разукрась одинаковый звук одинаковым цветом. The answer. Красный. Jumper, jewelry. Синий. Starfish, vase, plant. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 55. 55. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Read and choose the correct word. Прочитай и выбери правильное слово. The answer. Number 1. Slippers. Number 2. Gloves. Number 3. Jeans. Number 4. Pajamas. Number 5. Socks. Please put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Dad always puts on his slippers when he comes home. These gloves are very expensive. I can't buy them. How much are these jeans, please? I always wear my pajamas before I go to bed. My feet are cold. Can you bring me my socks? My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Look, read and complete. Посмотри, прочитай и закончи. Number 1, opposite. Number 2, post office. Number 3, butchers. Number 4, bakery. Excuse me, Where's the bank, please? It's opposite the post office. Excuse me, where's the butcher's, please? It's next to the bakery. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and match. Прочитай и соедини. D – guitar, B – coke, C – chocolate. A – it's £4.90. A. Number 1. It's £99.99. The answer D. Guitar. Number 2. It's 85 pence. B. Coke. Number 3. It's 58 pence. Number C. Chocolate. Now I can name shops and buildings. Give and follow directions. Name clothes. Ask for prices. Say the Green Cross code. Say and write about my neighborhood in English. Сейчас я умею называть магазины и здания, давать и следовать направлениям движения, называть предметы одежды, спрашивать цену, рассказать правила дорожного движения, рассказать и написать про свой микрорайон, рассказать и написать о своем микрорайоне. Say and write about my neighborhood. I live in a wonderful neighborhood. There are a lot of supermarkets, playgrounds, and toy shops around here. There is a chemist right next to our house. Opposite the chemist, there's a pet shop where we buy food for our cat. There's also a swimming pool in front of our house. Opposite the post office, there is a bakery. My school is next to the park. I love my neighborhood. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.